number 2 for Tracie Hunter. It now appears all but certain to happen sometime this year. Tracie Hunter's first trial ended with the jury deadlocked on all but one count.
So what about this time? Same defendant, same evidence, same charges. We wanted to know what would be different. Julie O'Neill is on your side with some answers. Julie?
Well, I spoke with longtime criminal defense attorney Mark Krumbein, who followed this case closely and knows all the players well. He says trial 2 should be shorter, simpler, and cheaper, but he says it'll certainly be riskier for Tracie Hunter.
This is dangerous for Judge Hunter.
Criminal defense attorney Mark Krumbein says Judge Hunter well knows a new trial brings risk. The first go-round, a jury was hung on 8 of the 9 felony charges against the now suspended juvenile court judge. Just one conviction got her a half year in jail.
I've been through these in major homicides myself, and if you're lucky enough as a defendant to get a hung jury the first time, it may never happen again. And every time the prosecution goes forward, there's a significant chance they'll win.
Do you think both sides will make things more simple in this next trial?
They should.
Krumbein sees the prosecution keeping testimony on the confusing issues of backdating court documents and proper use of a credit card more straightforward. And the defense?
If I were the defense, I would let them stay confused. It's hard for jurors to understand a lot of what that Judge Hunter is being accused of. So I would probably just not put on very much, if any, evidence myself if I were Judge Hunter, and let the prosecution try to prove the case against me.
Taxpayers spent about $450 grand on the first trial. Krumbein says take 2 should cost much less with all the prep work done.
This trial should be a drop in the bucket expense-wise compared to the first trial.
And as for the concern of seating another jury in this high-profile case,
we've had higher profile cases in Hamilton County before that have been tried in this county. I don't think this one will be an exception.
apparently a lot of people don't watch the news. But as for the new judge, Krumbein says Judge Patrick Dinkelacker is another experienced, no-nonsense judge who knows the law well. We should know later this month when and if another trial will get underway. A plea or trial setting hearing is set for January 21st.